how to fix ChatGPT not working or not loading. So first of all, open any web browser and in the search bar search for ChatGPT. Head over to the first link. It will land you to the page where it says that ChatGPT is at capacity right now, and then you are not being able to log in and use this site. If you too are facing the same error, then what you can do is click on this three dot at top right corner and then head over to settings. Scroll down and move into site settings. At the top, click on all sites. Here you need to search for the site of ChatGPT. Once you have found the OpenAI site, head over to it. Here what you need to do is clear and reset the site of OpenAI. So click on clear and reset. And then again click on clear and reset. After clearing the site and refreshing the ChatGPT page, you'll be able to use ChatGPT website without any error. But if you are still facing the same error and you are not being able to use this website, then what you can do is here click on get notified when we are back. Instead of entering the email, here you need to click on chat.openai.com. So there you can see that it has fixed the problem that you have been facing on ChatGPT. Now you can easily log in or sign up to the account and use the site. Now in the next step, what you need to make sure that you have opened ChatGPT website in only one tab. If you have opened the ChatGPT site in different tabs, then it might not work. So you need to make sure that you have opened only in one tab. So this is the end of the video, and this was the tutorial video on how to fix ChatGPT not working or loading. So I hope this video is going to help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.